it's Thanksgiving.
Wait, it's Thanksgiving today?
Yeah, dude, I just saw this, but I mean, I was thinking we should do something, but I mean, we're in the Philippines.
Yeah, sad. No. You know what? We will celebrate Thanksgiving. A Filipino Thanksgiving. Okay, the first thing we need to do is make a list of every Thanksgiving food. The first and most obvious, turkey.
Where the heck are we gonna find a turkey here? I've been to the grocery store. Where are the turkeys?
This is the Philippines. We're gonna have to go Filipino and be creative.
No, dude. What do you can't? We can't use the duck.
And why can't we?
Because he's our friend.
Yeah, he was our friend until the situation came.
No, he's our friend.
Fine. Back to square one. Okay, turkey. All right, we need some tates.
Well, I mean, we're gonna be thirsty. We need some sort of drink, I think.
Pie. Most important is pie. Everybody loves pie.
I got the crayons right here.
Cranberry juice.
Oh.
Need some sort of bread, dinner roll style bread. Corn. Is that a Thanksgiving dinner right there? The list is complete. That's everything we need. Let's do this. Okay, all of these things obviously are not going to be available easily in the Philippines. So if we want to make Filipino Thanksgiving, we're going to have to get creative, and we're going to have to do the closest equivalent food to all of these we have on this perfect list.
But I mean, where are we gonna find this stuff?
We're gonna have to use our resources. The MRT, Food Panda, going to stores. We're gonna split up, get our lists, and we're gonna get every single thing for a perfect Thanksgiving. So it'll be like we never left the old good US of A. Except we won't be able to watch football. So let's begin. Let's walk the streets, go through every mall, on every set of stairs, look through every restaurant we can. I don't care if it's one restaurant, or 2, or 10. We need to find this dinner, this perfect Filipino Thanksgiving. We can deliver supermarkets, restaurants. We can do this, and it will be glorious. Oh! The freaking rice! What the frack are you doing?
Sorry.
Better. Merry Thanksgiving!
Merry Thanksgiving! Yes, happy!
We're not in the US, so we missed Thanksgiving this year for like the first time ever, so we did our best to recreate it Filipino style.
You know, Thanksgiving back in the US, you get your turkey with some stuffing in there, dinner roll, some cranberry juice.
Everything we put on, actually it's cranberry sauce. I don't know why we did cranberry juice. Pineapple juice is close enough.
You got some corn, obviously, and then some desserts, such as some pies. So we tried to replicate all of that right here.
I have good news. We did get the corn from KFC.
Back a while ago, we saw KFC had a corn platter, and we wanted to do like a corn platter challenge. But they're not as big as we thought they were, so it's not even going to be a challenge.
No, we thought it would be like a platter, but this is just like a little tub. So Max's, Jollibee, KFC, and Kenny Rogers is our Filipino. I mean, you see these places everywhere. KFC was kind of just a wild card for the corn.
We got the little mini stop in there too.
Oh, of course. Max's Chicken, Jollibee Pie, Lumpia Shanghai, and Java. We should have got white rice, but it came with Java rice. Okay, and then Kenny Rogers Rooster, which is everywhere.
And we got a nice 6 muffins.
Yum! Here. Double dessert. But let's eat. We'll probably just eat a little bit. We'll call it a day. You can join us for Thanksgiving. Thank you for being here on Thanksgiving.
A little special video for everyone on Thanksgiving. Even though if you don't celebrate it, enjoy.
Thanksgiving. Lumpia. It took a while to set this up, so they're not hot anymore.
They're barely warm.
What's the bad thing about eating food for a YouTube video?
It took us about like 45 minutes to get all the food. Like 30 minutes to film this like setup part.
When we have our best food is when we're not filming. And we have gone to some of these places we have filmed before.
After
not filming. So look at this juicy, yummy chicken. It just falls apart. This thing fell right off the bone when the fries got dropped off of it. Yum.
The chicken looks amazing, but I got to admit these fries.
They're looking a little dried out.
Maybe it's amazing?
Amazing!
May?
Those are the definition of cold.
Cold? Uh-oh. Let me try some of the chicken. We don't have any gravy or anything. I guess we need a rice and corn spoon.
So we had to do the dishes before we did this. We don't have fracking water.
We haven't had water for a week.
We don't have running water in the place, so we couldn't do our dishes very well.
That's a lot of rice. We almost got more.
Oh my
That
god.
barely made a dent in that thing. The corn scoop. Oh, it's a little wet.
Oh my gosh, that's buttery as nuts down there.
Look at that butter. I think we might have a lactose attack if we did an unlimited corn challenge.
Oh man.
Let me try the chicken.
Chicky.
Max chicken has good flavor.
Yeah, it's not even just the like skin part that is the flavor. I remember the chicken had flavor. And it does again. Ooh, yeah, that's good.
There's a lot of rice.
I swear, this is probably 5 cups of rice. Does this look like 5 cups of rice to you guys?
There's a fracton. It probably is.
It might even be 6.
It's probably at least 95.
This is 1.5 at least. Sorry, I'm editing the Mang and a Saul video right now, so I'm so used to trying to figure out how we count as rice.
Oh, did you just hint at what's coming soon? Mang and Assault? The
My God.
redemption?
The redemption!
Did we beat our previous record in the Only Rice Challenge?
Want to see? Want to see?
Very soon. We have some
video.
events coming this weekend, so that will be delayed a bit. Those were supposed to come sooner, our Antipolo videos. But we had some events actually collaborated with SM Malls.
Oh, also hinting at something coming soon?
Oh, big things. Happy Thanksgiving.
Nice tasty Thanksgiving dinner.
The corn is pretty good.
I haven't tried it yet.
And it's just canned corn, but it's so buttery. It's so buttery.
Got the salt here?
I like this rice too.
We've heard that this is a disgrace, but the same thing we do to this corn, butter and salt it, we do to white rice sometimes.
Yeah,
Hopefully you guys don't hate us.
they already do.
Wow, that is so buttery.
I know.
It's good though.
Some people hate us for dipping our lumpia into halo halo, but let's dip it into the pineapple juice.
Today we have the most insane thing you have to try.
Oh my gosh!
Today we got Thanksgiving in the Philippines.
Oh, this fry felt like it was.
They're potatoey.
Oh,
It's like a mashed potato inside of the
I
fry.
like potato fries, but when it's this cold, can't do it. Whoa! That falls right off the bone. Wow, it just literally just fell off right off the bone. Or there's still bones in here. Yep. There was a while where most of my dinners were rotisserie chickens. And now in the Philippines, we don't eat healthy at all.
No.
And we don't work out.
Dragon losing weight, which means we're losing the muscle we built.
It's replacing muscle with sugar.
I'm gonna wash it down with some pineapple juice here quick.
I already finished my glass. Will you punish me, sir?
Oh, I never shook this at the beginning.
I'll probably die now. And the goal is to eat all of this. We'll show you our progress at the end. Oh, why the heck is it like...
It's really thick.
Pineapple juice can be some weird color sometimes. Oh, you're ripping off a whole leg? Oh!
No way! Hey, I'm walking here.
Hey, I'm
Whoa.
walking here! This is basically the same thing as normal Thanksgiving. Just 2 dudes sitting in a room with a camera and some lights in the Philippines.
Yeah, and with a... Duck, would you like any food? Or is this like you eating your cousin?
Duck only... Oh, true, because it's a chicken. Duck only likes mac and cheese and Pepsi. We should have got you some Pepsi, buddy. I forgot we had Duck. I literally forgot he existed for a moment there.
After the incident.
What's going to be the hardest thing to finish out of all this? The 6 muffins?
I think so. I was literally just looking at those.
That's a lot of muffins. But it's either 1 or 6.
We're not gonna get stove.
No,
That's not Thanksgiving enough.
it's not Kenny Rogers enough either.
We gotta get enough. We gotta get a shareable size, even though it's only for 2 people.
Yeah.
We gotta get a Thanksgiving size.
I bet everyone's going to say, wow, that's enough to feed 12 people. I don't care. We're going to eat it all.
We will. We will.
Like when we were in Malaysia, people were like, wow, you both got amount of food for 2 people and you got an appetizer.
And we ate it. I think I was still decently hungry after.
Yeah.
We walked a lot that day.
We did.
Hey, it's me. I'm a little leg. I'm a drumstick boy, eh?
Hey, he's not walking anymore. He doesn't have a fracking leg.
I'm not walking yet.
Hey.
Wow, it really does come off the bone very easily.
It does. It's very, very tender.
Look at that's a very clean bone.
Wow, that's fancy.
There you go, Duck. You want a bone? What did this all cost in total?
1,000 for the chicken and the rice.
1,200.
Pineapple juice is 100.
1,500. 1,600 about.
Get a whole meal for $30. Wow.
A whole Thanksgiving meal.
Wow. This could feed 12 people.
I actually kind of take back my statement. The rice might be
Wow.
the hardest thing to finish.
Corn and rice mixed? It's pretty good.
Don't play with your food.
How dare you?
Don't mix things like that. If you guys want more rants, we're gonna make a new channel, Trifate Rants, coming
Yep.
soon.
Yep, there's a lot to rant about.
Landlords,
Yes, my gosh.
owners of condos trying to sell them on Facebook Marketplace.
Terrible. It's been a terrible experience.
We'll make a video on it soon, but a little sneak peek. About 20% of them respond in the first place, and then once you get past that 20%, then some of them just ghost you at no random point.
Some of them will literally contact you every single day, even though you said you're not interested.
And some of them will be like, all right, let's meet here, and then they don't meet there, and you're like, oh, I met here. Where are you?
Ghosted, aggressively followed and pursued, just get overall scammed. That's the story, coming soon. I guess we'll just eat up. When we get to the desserts, we'll let you know.
Oh, transition. Wow, we ate the food. Wow.
Okay, we ate all of the main courses and cleaned it up because it was a mess. There's a lot.
Very buttery. My stomach doesn't feel great from all the butter and just food in general. But we did eat practically all of it.
Now we just have 6 muffins and 3 pies. I mean, we could like save these and enjoy them later on, or we could complete the video.
This is Thanksgiving. It's not Thanksgiving if you don't have so much food that you can fall asleep after.
Thanksgiving, you eat a frack ton of food, and then they're like, pie's ready! And you're like, oh, frack, I don't feel good, but I want some frackin' pie.
And you eat it all, and you go sit on the couch and watch some football, and then...
Alright!
Gosh, these are gonna be some dense corn muffins.
They're not warm. These are some delicious corn muffins, Kenny.
Kenny Roger, you dog.
You dog, Kenny!
We were just watching some Austin Powers while we ate the food.
Oh yeah, baby! I bet you randomly get a little corn chunk in there.
Yeah.
We ate a lot of yellow stuff. A whole thing of pineapple juice. We'll have 6 yellow muffins, a whole platter of yellow corn.
Even the peach mango pies are like a yellow orange color. Everything was yellow to brown.
Should we make a rap about, yo, there's a Filipino Thanksgiving? That's not sticking to the song. We just watched Dr. Evil rap song. Yo, Dr. the Fizzle, my Rizzle.
Or not as good as the Young Savage's hit track Puff Daddy. Daddy of Puffing.
Daddy of Puffing? Wait, should we play that out loud right now?
Yeah, let's do a quick little sneak peek. These guys are banging artists.
They are. Up and coming.
Someone in our comments reminded me of this song, so thank you to that commenter. Some of the most impressive artwork in history.
They're actually local for us. They're from Minnesota. They're a Minnesota rap group, so...
Actually from the same cities we're from.
Really?
Yeah.
I didn't know they're that local.
They made everything themselves. No label involved, independent artists.
That's pretty cool. Oh, here it is. Here we go. Ready? You been puffing? I'm always puffing.
You know what they call me.
What do they call you?
Well,
My name is Puff. Daddy Puff Puff. Daddy Puff. Daddy Puff. Daddy Puff.
Oh, it's so good.
Daddy Puff. Daddy Puff Puff.
That was such a good song. I would recommend everyone go and pay $35 for it.
Honestly, go donate them tons of money. 'Cause they deserve it for all that hard work they put in.
I hit one of these mangs. Hello, sir. You're not hot anymore.
Oh, God.
Look at how yellow that is.
I don't know why we're doing this.
This is another food challenge. We didn't even record our food challenge in Georgia. We just did it for fun.
Ronnie's Pizza, Max Shawarma.
Sometimes we just food challenge ourselves for no reason. Just for pride.
Sadly, we never finished the Max Shawarma or the Ronnie's Pizza challenge.
The frack. We almost did it that one time.
Almost.
Vortex! Well, that was a bad idea. The water fills your stomach.
I should have saved that so I could wash down some of the stuff that I need to.
Wait. I almost threw up. Did you hear that? I almost threw up. Oh, frack.
This is worse than the onion rice challenge, I think.
At least it tastes good. The rice at the end does not taste any good. You're not supposed to eat Jollibee pies like that. You're supposed to eat them hot and out of the oven. How dare you disrespect our Jollibee culture like that?
We let tourists into our country, so you guys disrespect the Jollibee pies like that?
How dare you? How dare you eat them like you want to eat them? I don't remember if we said this in another video or not. I don't think we did. I think it was off camera. But in the United States, it's considered extremely racist to tell somebody to go back to their own country.
Yes.
And we get told go back to your own country a lot in the comments.
Sometimes YouTube auto blocks them, so if you haven't seen one before, a lot of times YouTube auto blocks certain profanities and stuff like that, possibly because they think it's racist. We've gotten that quite a few times. And I don't even know what we do
No.
to make them
We
angry.
just eat food.
Speaking of which, the only way to do this is to Matt Stoney these last two.
And it's at the same time.
Hopefully, I don't throw up. Alright, is this disrespecting their culture?
Yes. Kenny Rogers culture.
I'm sorry, Mr. Kenny Roger. My stomach really hurts.
Oh no. Oh no. Yuck. Yuck. I can't imagine what you were going through there. I had a tiny little bit in my mouth and I thought I was gonna choke.
How the heck does Matt Stoney do it?
I don't know.
I put that on my mouth and I just couldn't even chew. There's so much in there.
He's a freak of nature.
If you haven't heard of Matt Stoney and you know us somehow, that's very interesting. But check out Matt Stoney, he's cool.
He eats food really fast and in large quantities.
So if we ever randomly say something about Matt Stoney and then go with our food, that's why.
It's a hard knock life.
I still have to finish basically one more.
These are really messy. What the heck? That's a really small one. It's like a half.
Oh, the frack. Oh, it's really dark.
Did Jollibee just rip us the frack off? Whoa, what?
I agree with what you just said.
Was it helpful?
Uh-huh, yeah.
It's a hard knock life for us.
It's 3 o'clock.
This is real.
We gotta get this video out tonight.
This was filmed today, by the way, if you're watching this.
Yes, on Thanksgiving. One of our videos that isn't filmed ahead of time.
If you want to know about our videos, nowadays, if we're doing more adventure stuff, we film a whole day's worth of videos. Like we just go adventurizing for a day or two, and then we post it throughout the next couple weeks. Then for special events like this, we post them day of or the next day after. Like this weekend will be all new things that happen on Friday. Did they happen today? But we'll try to always keep the same day in a row.
Yes, if we have like a 5-part adventure, we'll try and make sure that that's all 5 parts in a row so it doesn't get too confusing.
Yeah. You have to drink this sauce.
Oh,
It's a hard knock life. I got 4 water bottles. Do I have to drink all of those too?
I think so.
Half a pie left, and then we ate all that food. Are you impressed? I know you are. We might not be alive for the special event this weekend. We're almost there!
Duck, I will give you the honorary last bite. He doesn't want it.
He doesn't want it? Why? Because it's not Pepsi and mac and cheese? Holy nuts, I feel terrible. Every time I burp, it tastes like puke.
Why has this been like one of the worst
Probably because
for like how much we have?
it's so many different things. Usually it's all the same thing. Holy nuts! Oh, I'm pregnant! Oh!
Alright, well.
It's rock hard. It's so full.
Oh my god. Oh my god. If I press too hard, I might throw up.
I'm literally prego now. I'm prego. Oh.
You know what I have to say about this?
Happy Thanksgiving!